Do you know which oils are best for your health and which ones to avoid? Indeed, not all oils are created equal, and the type of oil you use in your diet can have a significant impact on your overall health. We often overlook the importance of oils in our diet. They are more than just a cooking medium. They are a source of essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins. In our exploration today, we'll delve into the world of oils, from the ubiquitous olive oil to the exotic avocado oil and everything in between. We'll unveil the health benefits and potential drawbacks of these oils, backed by scientific research. We'll also shed light on some commonly held myths about cooking oils. Whether you're a seasoned chef, a curious foodie, or just someone looking for ways to lead a healthier lifestyle, this discussion will provide valuable insights. So, stick around as we embark on this journey of discovery. Stay tuned to find out which oils can help you maintain a healthy body and which ones you should steer clear of. First on our list is olive oil, a staple in Mediterranean diets. Olive oil, with its rich, fruity flavor, isn't just delicious. It also packs a nutritional punch. One of the main health benefits of olive oil comes from its high content of monounsaturated fats. These fats are considered heart-healthy as they can help to lower bad cholesterol levels and increase the good ones. Apart from this, olive oil is also loaded with powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants are biologically active and may reduce your risk of chronic diseases. They also fight inflammation and help protect your blood cholesterol from oxidation, benefits that could lower your risk of heart disease. However, olive oil is not without its potential downsides. Its low smoke point, which is the temperature at which it starts to smoke and degrade, can make it less suitable for high-heat cooking, such as frying or sautéing. So while olive oil is a great choice for your salads and low-heat cooking, you might want to skip it for your stir-fries. Next up is coconut oil, a favorite among health enthusiasts. Coconut oil is often praised for its unique composition. It's rich in medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which are a type of fat that our bodies can easily metabolize for quick energy. This means that instead of being stored as fat, these triglycerides are more likely to be used for fuel, which can be a boon for those trying to maintain a healthy weight. Coconut oil also holds up well under high heat, making it a great choice for cooking. Its high smoke point means it won't break down and produce harmful free radicals as easily as some other oils when used for frying or sautéing. But coconut oil isn't without its downsides. It's high in saturated fat, a type of fat that, when consumed in excess, can raise your cholesterol levels and increase your risk of heart disease. So while coconut oil can be beneficial in moderation, too much can lead to increased cholesterol levels. Now let's talk about canola oil, a commonly used oil in many households. Made from the crushed seeds of the canola plant, this oil is known for its low saturated fat content. In fact, it has less than half the saturated fat of olive oil, making it a heart-healthy choice. Moreover, canola oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for our body. They help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows with canola oil. One potential downside is its high omega-6 fatty acid content. While omega-6 fatty acids are necessary for our health, too much of them can lead to inflammation if not balanced with omega-3 intake. So in the game of balance, canola oil requires a bit of strategy. Its benefits can be maximized when paired with foods rich in omega-3s, like fatty fish or flax seeds. So while canola oil can be a good choice for cooking, make sure to balance it with omega-3 rich foods. Moving on to palm oil, a highly controversial oil. Known for its high content of vitamins A and E, palm oil can indeed be a source of some essential nutrients. These vitamins are key for maintaining good vision, healthy skin, and a robust immune system. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Palm oil also comes with a hefty load of saturated fats. Excessive intake of these fats can lead to increased levels of harmful cholesterol in your body, potentially putting you at a higher risk of heart disease. It's a classic case of too much of a good thing can be bad. But there's another side to this story that's often overlooked. The production of palm oil has been linked to significant environmental issues, including deforestation and habitat destruction. This has put many species at risk and contributed to climate change. So while palm oil might be nutrient-rich, Its environmental impact and high saturated fat content make it a less desirable choice. Last but not least, avocado oil, a newcomer in the health scene. This trendy oil has been gaining popularity and for good reasons. Packed with monounsaturated fats, it's a heart-healthy choice that can help lower bad cholesterol levels. It's also rich in lutein, an antioxidant that's beneficial for your eyes. But the real game changer? Avocado oil's high smoke point. This means it can withstand high cooking temperatures without breaking down and releasing harmful substances. It's perfect for sautéing, roasting, and even deep frying. It also has a mild flavor that doesn't overpower dishes, making it a versatile addition to your pantry. But as with everything, there's a flip side. Avocado oil tends to be more expensive than other oils. Its high cost can be a hurdle for those on a budget. So, while avocado oil can be a great choice for high-heat cooking and salads, its cost might be a deterrent for some. To summarize, not all oils are created equal. Each brings its unique set of benefits and potential downsides to the table, and understanding these can help you make informed decisions about your diet. First, we dove into olive oil, a staple in Mediterranean cuisine and a treasure trove of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. It's perfect for dressings and low-heat cooking, but remember, it may not be the best choice for high-heat cooking due to its lower smoke point. Next, we explored the tropical favorite, coconut oil. Its high saturated fat content makes it a sturdy companion for high-heat cooking. But don't forget, despite its popularity, it's important to consume it in moderation due to the saturated fats. Then we discussed canola oil, a versatile option with a balance of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. It's great for a variety of cooking methods, but its production process often involves high heat and chemical solvents, which may concern some. We also talked about palm oil, a controversial choice due to its environmental impact. While it's rich in certain nutrients and has a high smoke point, the environmental and health concerns linked to its production and high saturated fat content make it a less favored option. Lastly, we looked at avocado oil, a nutrient-rich oil high in monounsaturated fats and with a high smoke point, making it ideal for both cooking and drizzling raw on salads. However, its higher price point might be a downside for some. Remember, it's all about balance and moderation. There's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to the best cooking oil. It all depends on your individual cooking needs, health goals, and personal preferences, so feel free to mix and match and keep your diet varied for optimal health. Choose oils that suit your cooking needs and health goals, and always aim for a varied diet for optimal health.